Hello everybody, this is Stephanie and I am here to show you these citrus scent disposable cleaners. Because this is for the garbage disposal right there. And I thank the people that sent this to me for my honest opinion. I appreciate you guys sending it to me so I can give this a try. So it cleans, deodorizes, refreshes, and protects your garbage disposal. There's 24 tablets. I believe I already used 2 just to try it out. Let me look here. So it says ensure the disposal is empty. Run a full steam of hot water for a minute, then reduce it to a slow trickle. That is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to do full steam, and actually I'm going to change this. This is hot water. And I'll be right back. Alright, it's definitely been running for like a minute. And then the next thing it says to do is for single basin sink, which is this, turn the faucet away from the drain. For double basin, run it in whatever. So I only got a single basin. So I have unwrapped this one, and I'm going to throw it in the sink. But I have to turn the water to like a little trickle. I did this already before. Just turn it to a little trickle, not, you don't want a whole lot coming in here. Just a trickle, and the water is trickling. Yeah, I'll say it like that. I'm going to turn on my garbage disposal. And I am going to throw this tablet in the garbage. And it fizzed up a little bit. I can see that. It's fizzing in there. So I let it go. And it says unwrap it and use 2 tablets for the first cleaning, which I already did. Then run a disposal for a minute. And this has been going on for a minute. If foam rises into the sink, continue running the water. But the foam didn't rise, it just went down there, and it's got a pretty good smell. And sometimes we have to do that with our garbage disposal, alright? But I just wanted to give you a quick video for this active disposal cleaner. And I think it's fine. It cleans, deodorizes, refreshes, and protects. Now I can turn this off and turn this water off. So there you go. This is Stephanie, and I thank you very much.